So with something that I had to add on, so let me go back here to home. So if this is our home, let me go back to this. So with ads, are you seeing this? So I'm basically, let me first sign out because I hadn't signed out. So I'm basically someone new at the platform. Maybe this is the listing. I want videography. So I happen to see this listing. So I close this, that advert. So this is my listing. So if at all I want to see whatever is on this listing, what I have to do, I just have to click in it. So are you seeing? So at least create something like a flyer that at least can reflect whatever you want to show out to people on that single flyer. Are you seeing? So I can even zoom or try to pull around and see. I can. Are you seeing that? So prices are bargainable, Uganda shillings that, then contact those numbers. So are you seeing? So contact me for all shots, okay, of videography and photography, from music videos, movies and short movies or skits to weddings, memory lanes and more. Are you seeing that? So it is already listed there. So if at all I want to know more about this person, remember you can also message this person here. Are you seeing that? So I can send a message to this person, put in my email, then send that person a what? A message. Let me see. Hello, Isaac. So it means that to send this person a message, I have to be logged in. So let me try to see. So meaning that if I'm not logged in, it means that the first thing I have to first do is to sign up or register with the platform before I send this person a message. So I hope that at least we've like gotten some knowledge on how to use this platform, how to find. Remember I told you that when I click this listing, are you seeing? So it displays up, then I click that, minimize this, then I believe now you can see that I can at least see what it is, what the flyer is all about and everything. So thanks for watching.